Welcome back to our channel PacVids for You, where today we're about to embark on an incredible journey through the world of infrastructure and engineering. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating story behind the construction of Algeria's most challenging highway, a project that has become a symbol of China's unrivaled expertise in massive infrastructure development. So join us as we delve into the story behind the remarkable $6.2 billion project. Our journey begins amidst the breathtaking and formidable Atlas Mountains of Algeria, a majestic landscape characterized by towering peaks, rocky cliffs, and treacherous terrains. It is amid this natural wonder that Algeria sought to construct a highway, connecting the remote regions and unlocking their economic potential. In order to tackle this extraordinarily challenging project, the Algerian government sought assistance from one of the world's most accomplished builders of infrastructure, China. With its proven track record in implementing mega projects, China's reputation preceded itself, promising a feat that few could fathom. The Algerian highway project faced a plethora of formidable challenges, each one more vast and complex than the last. The region's rugged terrain required ingenious engineering solutions to cut through the Rocky Mountains with minimal environmental impact. This required meticulous planning, extensive geological surveys, and unwavering commitment to preserve the natural beauty. One of the most astounding aspects of this project was the construction of numerous tunnels that traversed the mountain ranges at strategic intervals. These tunnels not only ensured smooth passage for motorists, but also safeguarded the wildlife habitats that thrived within this ecological wonderland. The sheer scale of this undertaking is simply mind-boggling. Spanning over 1,000 kilometers, the highway demanded coordination between thousands of workers, engineers, and specialized machinery. The Chinese construction companies assigned to the project showcased their unparalleled expertise, utilizing state-of-the-art equipment and innovative techniques to overcome the overwhelmingly colossal task. The magnitude of the project was not limited to the physical aspects alone. The highway's successful completion required establishing a robust supply chain, ensuring seamless logistics, and prioritizing the safety and well-being of the workforce. With the clock ticking relentlessly, every minute detail had to be meticulously planned and executed flawlessly. The completion of this monumental highway in Algeria has far-reaching implications for the country and its people. By connecting remote regions, the highway stimulates economic growth, unlocks trade potential, and facilitates the movement of goods and services across the country. This infrastructural marvel paves the way for Algeria to propel its economy forward and achieve greater regional integration. Local communities living along the newfound route now have improved accessibility to essential services and increased opportunities for cultural exchange and tourism. Imagine the positive ripple effect this highway has on the lives of those who have long yearned for better connectivity. China has emerged as a global leader in various fields, showcasing its remarkable progress and innovation. With a booming economy and a strong focus on technological advancements, China has become a hub for cutting-edge research and development. The country's commitment to education and investment in science and technology has resulted in groundbreaking discoveries and breakthroughs. From pioneering advancements in artificial intelligence and renewable energy to significant contributions in space exploration and healthcare, China continues to push the boundaries of innovation. Moreover, China's expertise extends beyond its borders as it actively collaborates with other nations, sharing knowledge and resources to address global challenges. As a result, China's influence and contributions are felt worldwide, making it an indispensable player in shaping the future of various industries. The successful completion of this endeavor is a testament to China's extraordinary capabilities in infrastructure development. It exemplifies their commitment to international cooperation and their prowess in taking on the most strenuous of engineering tasks. China's investment in Algeria's infrastructure is not just about constructing roads and tunnels. It is about fostering enduring partnerships and creating a shared future. So, as we conclude our journey along this remarkable highway, let us marvel at the audacious vision and unwavering determination that transformed daunting challenges into awe-inspiring accomplishments. The $6.2 billion highway project in Algeria stands as a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the will to overcome any obstacle that stands in the way of progress.